we saw how to let Visual Studio generate a new project. Let us now, for completeness sake, also see how we can do pretty much the same, but now from the CLI. Let us now, using the terminal, so using the .NET driver, do the same as in the previous demo, create a blank MVC application based on ASP.NET Core, that is. So I'm here in the Windows terminal, and I'm going to start by creating a new directory. And in that directory, I'm now going to start by typing .NET. That is the .NET driver that allows me to give commands to .NET, to the .NET CLI, that is. I can now do a .NET new, and that command will give me a list, a sample list of a number of templates that we can use to create, to scaffold a new application. You can see here the name of the template, the short name, so that's what I'll use when I create a new project from the template, the languages in which this template is available, as well as some text. Now this is of course not a full list, there are many more templates available. On this page here, of which you see the link on the slide, you can see the list of all templates with their short name. And the short name is typically what you use to create, to scaffold, that is, a new application based on the template. Now we're of course interested in ASP.NET Core applications, so indeed we can see that we can create a new ASP.NET Core MVC application like we did in the previous demo using .NET New MVC. So let's try that out. I'm going to go here, and first I'll change into that directory. I think I called it demo from CLI. There we go. And in there I'll now type .NET New and then MVC. This has now executed the template. And as we can see, indeed, a new application has been created. We don't know what these files mean, but as you can see, some files have been generated. We can now do a .NET Run to run the application. So this will trigger a build first. And once that is done, our application is already going to run. I can now browse to this address here, localhost 7248. And you see the same interface, the same type of application that has been generated as we had using the template from Visual Studio.